How to install Java. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to install Java, how to install IntelliJ, and how to create and test a simple HelloWorld program. First, let's go to google.com and type download Java. Scroll down to the second listing where it says Java downloads from the Oracle website. Let's click on it. Here you can see the JDK download option. I am clicking on the JDK download button. This takes me to the JDK download page. We need to accept the license agreement. I am clicking to accept the license agreement. Now we are presented with various application exe files for different operating systems. For Windows operating system, which I use currently, there are two options. One is x86, which is for the 32-bit operating systems. Since I am using a 64-bit operating system, I am clicking on the exe file for the Windows x64. On the bottom lower corner of the browser, you can see it is downloading the application exe file. The download is completed. Let's go to the download folder. I'm clicking on the downloaded IDK exe file. This gives us a setup wizard to download Java. I am clicking Next. The wizard says it is going to install to C drive, Program Files, Java folder. Let's stick to the defaults and click Next. Once the installation is completed, let's click the Close button. We can verify the Java installation by going to the command prompt. On the command prompt, I am typing java-version. This gives us the version of the Java that is installed. Notice that the version of Java we installed is 1.8. Next, let's see how to install IntelliJ IDE. I'm going to Google and typing install IntelliJ. The first website is the JetBrains website, which takes us to the IntelliJ install page. Here we are presented with two options. One is the Ultimate, which is a paid edition. The other is Community Edition, which is free and open source. Let's go ahead and click the Community Edition. Now, again on bottom left corner of the browser, you can see it is downloading the IntelliJ. Once the download is completed, I'm going to the Downloads folder and clicking the IntelliJ exe file. This will take us to the Setup wizard. We will keep clicking Next and go with default options. Here I'm giving 64-bit launcher since the system is 64-bit operating system. This is for creating the shortcut in desktop. Let's click Install. The installation is complete. I am clicking on the checkbox so that it will launch the IDE once we click Finish. Now that the IntelliJ IDE is launched, I am not importing any settings over here. IntelliJ gives two different UI schemes. Select the one which you like most. I personally like the Darkula theme, and I'm clicking on it. Let's stick to all defaults and keep clicking Next button. This will launch out IntelliJ IDE. Once launched, let's try a simple HelloWorld program. I'm clicking on Create New Project. Here, the Java JDK is not yet set up as Project SDK. So I'm going to click the New button and navigate to the JDK folder from where Java was installed. Now you can see that the JDK is assigned properly. The next screen asks if we would like to use any template for our Java program. We are going to select the default template checkbox. In the next page, I'm going to give the project name as HelloWorld. I'm changing the base package as com.bigdataelearning. You can stick to the default package name. This launches the program with the basic template. Within the main method, I am typing a print statement that prints the Hello World message. Let's say hello to the world. I'm saving the program by going to File, Save All. Then right-click anywhere on the program and click Run to run our first Hello World program. Here you go. You can see that the output successfully prints Hello World as expected. Congratulations! You have installed Java, IntelliJ IDE, and successfully created the first Hello World program in Java. In this video, we first saw the installation procedures for Java and IntelliJ. We hope that you can install the Java and the IDE on your system and are ready to plunge deep into the ocean of Java. In the next video, we will look at the JVM architecture.